Now, with the
All right, Liz. I can barely see you, but tell us, how do you feel right now?
I want to stay here with you guys.
Lauren, what do you think is going to happen on the stage?
I think she's going to fall madly in love, and we're going to be playing this video at her wedding.
Okay, Liz, one adjective to describe your date.
Baby.
As in, baby.
No, as in...
One verb to describe a verb that's going to describe what's going to happen on the stage.
Sleep.
Like after a little nookie?
Back and a half. Guaranteed.
All right. Well,
Friday may be a different story.
ooh, Friday night.
Friday.
I do like Friday night date. All right. Well, cheers to your practice date.